Hi, this is Ben from Per Traffic. This video demonstrates a few of the many page one rankings that we've achieved for our clients. As with many things, the proof is in the pudding. So the best way to demonstrate the rankings is to type the keyword into Google and view the ranking where the customers are viewing it too. So just to take one example, the first client I'm going to show you is Westbury Control Systems. They're on page one now for several keywords in the field of control panel manufacturing. So let's Google the first keyword. It is control systems manufacturer. So scroll down to the first organic ranking. You will see Westbury, which is our client. Take the second keyword, which is control panel manufacturer. Scroll to the first organic result, and you'll see that is also Westbury, our client. And you can do this for yourself and get exactly the same outcome. Whilst this demonstrates an ability to place a website on page one for a given keyword, we do place equal value on our ability to ensure SEO practices stay connected to the business model. What this means in reality is that our end goal isn't just page one rankings. It's page one rankings that generate a positive return on investment. We firmly believe that having the same goal as our clients can only be a good thing. Thanks for your time.